Good morning, children. I hope you all have enjoyed the weekend. आपने वीकेंड में मजा किया होगा क्योंकि दिस इज न्यू ईयर और ये न्यू ईयर वीकेंड था. ओके, नाउ लेट्स डू द प्रेयर फर्स्ट. We had started with the new prayer on Friday. The prayer's name was Subah Savere. Okay, so let's start with that. पहले I will start जितना हम लोग ने सीखा है. सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम. तुम्हीं से है आगाज, तुम्हीं से अंजाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. सो दिस मच वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्नड. अभी आज एक और बार मैं यही पैराग्राफ करूंगी. नेक्स्ट टाइम हम आगे का पैराग्राफ करेंगे. सो इट इज सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम. तुम्हीं से है आगाज, तुम्हीं से अंजाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. After this prayer is over, now we'll start with a new chapter in English. Okay, the chapter's name is The Sun. What is the chapter's name? The Sun. It's on page number 72. There's a small poem on sun. Today I will just read out the poem. I will explain you what the poem means. Okay? And I'm going to underline a few words for you to learn the spellings. So I'll just read out. I told the sun that I was glad. क्या हुआ? मैंने sun को बोला कि I am glad. Glad मतलब happy. I'm sure I don't know why. So मुझे मालूम है कि मुझे नहीं मालूम है. Somehow the pleasant way he had of shining in the sky. मतलब जब सन स्काई में शाइन करता है तो बहुत प्लेजेंट लगता है, बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. इसलिए somehow the pleasant way he had of shining in the sky. Just put a notion in my head. That wouldn't it be fun. मतलब just put a notion मतलब मेरे हेड पे सिर्फ एक नोशन डालो, मतलब एक चीज डालो और एक मतलब हम ऐसे ही सोच रहे हैं. दैट वुडंट इट बी फन मतलब इट्स गोइंग टू बी लॉट ऑफ फन. इफ वॉकिंग ऑन द हिल आई सेड आई एम हैप्पी टू द सन. मैं हिल पे, हिल मतलब पहाड़, पहाड़ पे चलने के लिए आई एम वेरी हैप्पी सन को बोला. Okay, so now this poem is been written by John Drinkwater. किसने लिखी है ये कविता? कवि का नाम है John Drinkwater. Okay, so when we are singing a poem like that, what we have to do is we have to sing it this way. So you will take your book in your hand and you will say The Sun by John Drinkwater. क्या बोलेंगे आप? The Sun by John Drinkwater. उसके बाद you will start the poem. I told the sun that I was glad. I'm sure I don't know why. Somehow the pleasant way he had of shining in the sky. Just put a notion in my head that wouldn't it be fun? If walking on the hill I said I'm happy to the sun. Okay, so you will read out the poem first like this. Okay, you will learn the poem later. आप पोएम बाद में लर्न कर सकते हो, लेकिन आज के दिन के लिए you will take your book in the hand and you will read out like this. The Sun by John Drink Water. Okay. I told the sun that I was glad. I'm sure I don't know why. Somehow the pleasant way he had of shining in the sky just put a notion in my head that wouldn't it be fun if walking in on the hill I said I'm happy to the sun. Now there are a few words which we need to learn out here. So अभी ये आपने देखा होगा तो the sun is in capital. क्यों? क्योंकि we are only talking about sun. Okay, so sun will be in capital. So underline glad, sun, somehow, pleasant, shining, notion, wouldn't मतलब यहाँ पे would और not को combine किया गया है. Okay, so when you combine you have to put an apostrophe. इसको बोलते हैं apostrophe. I will show it to you on the board. And walking and happy. Okay, so these words I'm going to write on the board. So the first word I told you is sun. You will write it in your red and blue line book 3 times. Okay, sun, S-U-N, sun. Glad, G-L-A-D, glad. Then we have somehow, S-O-M-E-H-O-W, somehow. ये 2 वर्ड को एक वर्ड में बनाया है. So इसको बोलते हैं somehow. Then we have pleasant, P-L-E-A-S-A-N-T, pleasant. P-L-E-A-S-A-N-T, pleasant. Then we have shining, S-H-I-N-I-N-G, shining. Notion, N-O-T-I-O-N, notion. Then we have, I hope you have copied this, sun, glad, somehow, pleasant, shining, notion. Okay, now the next word is, be very, very, very attentive when I'm doing this. The next word is wooden, W-O-U-L-D-N apostrophe T. Okay, W-O-U-L-D-N apostrophe T. ऐसे क्यों लिखते हैं? ये 2 वर्ड है एक्चुअली. ओके, तो एक वर्ड है इसका वुड और दूसरा वर्ड है नॉट. ओके, पर हमको ये 2 अलग वर्ड नहीं लिखने हैं और एक वर्ड में लिखना है, इसलिए इसको लिखेंगे wouldn't. ओके, सो दिस इज wouldn't. You don't need to write this. This is just for explanation. ये आपको लिखना नहीं है, ये सिर्फ एक्सप्लेनेशन कर रही हूं मैं आपको. मैं और भी वर्ड्स ऐसे सिखाऊंगी बाद में. ओके, आफ्टर wouldn't we have walking, W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking. Then we have happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. So wouldn't, walking and happy. You will read out the poem, send a video, and you will write these words in your book, take a picture and send. Don't forget to write your name. Okay, that's what you need to do for English. Now we'll do phonics. Come to page number 47. Page number 47. Now what you have to do is here, look, circle the look and say words in this maze. तो ये पूरा एक मेज बना हुआ है. ओके, इट्स लाइक अ पजल. आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे नीचे वर्ड्स लिखे गए हैं. ओके, सो द वर्ड्स आर लुक, कम, प्ले, सेड, लाइक, नो, सॉ, सम, से, over, from, always, away, here, there, does. We have already studied all these words. Now what you have to do is, अभी जैसे यहाँ पे look लिखा है, so you will find the word look out here and circle it. How will you do it? अभी L-O-O-K is look. Where is it? L-O-O-K. So you will search the word and circle it like this. Okay, so this is one word which you have finished, you will tick mark. Then you will come to come, C-O-M-E. So you will search. It can be in standing order, it can be in sleeping, it can be diagonally. कैसे भी हो सकता है, standing भी आ सकता है, sleeping भी आ सकता है और diagonally भी आ सकता है. So let us see where it can be. So it is C-O-M-E, come. C-O-M-E, come. So ये same word है. So we will circle this. Okay? And you will do a tick mark and go to the next one. Like this you need to finish the whole page. आपको पूरा पेज खत्म करके यहाँ पे नाम लिख के you will send me a photograph. Okay? So this is a maze which you need to solve. That's what you need to do for phonics. Now in maths we have already done number names up till 60. Last हमने 51 to 60 किया था. Today we are going to introduce to the new set of number names, and that is from 61 to 70. What are the numbers? 61 to 70. So you will write it in your maths book. Number names 61 to 70. Okay, so it will be 6 and 1, 61. S-I-X-T-Y, 61, O-N-E, 1. Then 62, S-I-X-T-Y, 60, T-W-O, 2. 63, S-I-X-T-Y, 60, T-H-R-E-E, 3. 64, S-I-X-T-Y, 60, F-O-U-R, 4. 65, S-I-X-T-Y, 60, and 5, F-I-V-E, 5. This is 61, 62, 63, 64, and 65. After this, we'll go to the next set. We have 66, S-I-X-T-Y, 60, S-I-X, 6. 67, S-I-X-T-Y, 60, S-E-V-E-N, 7. 68, S-I-X-T-Y, 60, E-I-G-H-T, 8. 69, S-I-X-T-Y, 60, N-I-N-E, 9. And 70, S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. Okay, so 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. That's all what you need to do for maths. You will write it in your maths book. Don't forget to write your name on the page. Take a picture and send it to me. Now we'll do EVS. Come to page number 64. Page number 64. Okay, it's written fun with lines. हमने ये सब पैटर्न्स बहुत बार करी हैं जूनियर केजी, सीनियर केजी. Now what we have to do here is, अभी जैसे ये स्लीपिंग लाइन है, ओके, फिर ये स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लैंटिंग लाइन, वेव पैटर्न. अभी यहाँ पे कैसे है, दो लाइन पतला है, दो लाइन मोटा है. सो थिन एंड थिक. व्हाट इज दिस? थिन एंड थिक. अभी यहाँ पे आप पैटर्न देखेंगे तो कैसे है, इट गोज फ्रॉम थिन, लिटिल मोर फैटर, 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 फैटर एंड फैटेस्ट, मतलब थिकेस्ट. सो थिन, little thick, more thick, thicker, thicker, thicker and thickest. Okay, so this is a pattern. ये एक तरीका का पैटर्न है. वैसे ही माउंटेन पैटर्न में how they have done, they have used different colors. So you can do it however you like. अभी यहाँ पे तो स्पेस बहुत कम दिया गया है, so you will do it in our drawing book. यहाँ पे भी करके और ड्राइंग बुक में भी करना है. Now I'm just going to show you what you can do. आप कोई भी पैटर्न कर सकते हो, whichever you like. Okay, whichever you like. So if supposing you can do wave pattern, Okay, up and down. You will do with pencil, then you can do with crayon, then you can do with some another color. Okay, or you can do some another pattern, like if you remember, we have done this pattern. So like this pattern. Okay, so like this also you can do any pattern, कोई भी pattern. आप ये भी pattern कर सकते हैं, जैसे 2 लाइन. अब ये कैसे मैंने thick, little, thin and thinner ऐसे किया है. वैसे वापस again I'll do like this, thick, little, thinner and more thin ऐसे. So this pattern also you can do. Any pattern that you like, you can do, and then you will do it in your drawing book also. You can use felt pen, you can use pencil, you can use crayons, whatever you like. You can also use paints. तो आपको जो पसंद है वो यूज करिए, और आपको जो अच्छा लग रहा है वैसे कोई भी पैटर्न करिए. ओके, एनी पैटर्न. यू कैन इवन डू लाइक दिस, लाइक अ माउंटेन पैटर्न, एंड देन बीच में आप डॉट्स करते हो अलग अलग कलर के. यू कैन डू डॉट्स विथ अनदर कलर. ओके, anything. So any of this sort can be done. So this is what you need to do in your drawing book and send it to me. Have a good day. Bye bye.